Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to see about BCS 054. Myself Jisha George and the subject name is Computer Oriented Numerical Techniques. And here we are going to find out the solution of linear algebraic equations. So here we are having some equations. It means linear algebraic equations, something like a polynomial form. And some examples are 3x plus 5 equal to 14, 5x plus 17y equal to 45, etc. So a system of linear equations can be equivalently written as an equation of matrices also. So let us consider the system of equations. 3x plus 5y equal to 11, 7x plus 3y equal to 17, like that some equations. So by the rules of multiplication of two matrices, we can write LHS of the given equations. Let us see how can we write the LHS of this given equation. Coefficient part of this equation, that is 3, 5, 7, 3, like that kind of values we are putting in the first matrix, that is called the coefficient matrix, and the unknown values x, y, etc. we are putting as another matrix. Okay, so hence the total equation can be rewritten in matrix form as first matrix, the coefficient matrix 3, 5, 7, 3, a 2 by 2 matrix, and the x, y, only a single column matrix, and equal to 11, 17. Okay, and if we rewrite if we rewrite these equations in a form of a into x transpose equal to b transpose. So transpose means nothing but we are interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix. So a system of four linear equations we are going to see now. Here a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 plus a14x4 equal to b1. Then a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 plus a24x4 equal to b2. So two rows, and now I am reading the third row. A31x1, that means I will explain this, what is 3, what is 1, etc. So a31x1 plus a32x2 plus a33x3 plus a34x4 equal to b3, and the last row is a41x1 plus a42x2 plus a43x3 plus a44x4 equal to b4. Here the first means the first we are telling the row number, then the column number. So if a21 means it denotes the second row first column, and like that if a43 denotes fourth row third column, like that we are given the place value or just naming the location, and each and every a will come as coefficient and x is the variable. Here we are having means the main unknowns are x1, x2, x3 and x4. To find out the value of these x1, x2, x3, x4 is the main task here. So these equations can be written in the matrix form as we are taking the coefficient part only, that is a11, that is the coefficient matrix a11, a12, a13, a14 first row, and the second row a21, a22, a23, a24, and the third row a31, a32, a33, a34, and the fourth row a41, a42, a43, a44. That is the coefficient matrix A. And again the variable matrix, that means unknown variable matrix x1, x2, x3, x4, and the means the final value, after equal we had some values that we are putting is again b1, b2, b3, b4, like that. The elements of matrix A and that of B transpose are known. That means the A and B values we know. The only thing we don't know is x. So our main task is again to find out the value of this x1, x2, x3, x4. A system of linear equations Ax equal to b is said to be homogeneous if b equal to 0. that is b for all b of I equal to 0. Otherwise, a system is called non-homogeneous. Now we are going for direct methods for finding out the solution for this. For a system of linear equations like Ax equal to b, where a and b are given as input data and x is to be determined. Assuming given system of linear equations is a non-homogeneous, or non-homogeneous means b not equal to 0. കാറ്റ് വന്നിട്ട് പുറത്തുള്ള ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എത്ര നേരം മനസ്സിലാവണില്ല ഇങ്ങനെ ഓടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കണ്ടല്ലോ അതല്ല ഇവിടെ താഴത്തെ അങ്ങനെ എഴുതി കാണിക്കുന്നതിൽ എത്ര 8 മിനിറ്റ് ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ടുള്ള അതിപ്പോഴും ഓടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അതേന്നേത് അതെ അതേന്നായി അല്ലല്ല അല്ല മൂസാണ് അതങ്ങനെ വരുള്ളൂ. മണം അമ്മ പോ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് മഴ വേഗത്തിട്ടാണ്. ചേട്ടനില്ലേ പറ്റണില്ലേ വെച്ചിട്ട് കഴിയാറായിട്ടാ വരണില്ലേ അങ്ങോട്ട് മാറ്റാം